Oh, wait. Okay.
Hi, Isaac.
No, let's get you in there.
Ah,
There you
there's
go.
Emily.
Hi, Isaac.
Hi.
It is. I don't know what day it is.
January 11th.
No, it's not.
Yes,
It
it
is
is.
January 11th.
January
because it's
11th.
not midnight yet. So.
Yeah, it's not midnight yet.
It's January 11th. This day is my video, but me and Chelsea are doing
A tag team video.
tag team video because she was late or her computer broke.
My
last
computer
time.
was broken for the
And
last 2 weeks.
I am at College Station, and
Text you about
we
it while I was drunk.
wish you were here.
We do, because it'd be fun.
So we're not doing much. We're just kind of hanging out with. I'm hanging out with Chelsea's friends. They're quite nice.
Yay.
Emily's in the back. I know you love her, so she's gonna be like a special feature in this video.
Yep.
This is a special feature already, just because like we're in
Tag
the same
team.
video together. Because you and me did a tag team last time, but now I'm with Chelsea. But I guess you two should do a video soon together. You should try to A&M.
You should.
Okay.
That'd be fantastic.
What I want you to talk about in your next video, because it's unlikely that you'll make one, but I want to hear how it was your reunion with Robin, like what y'all do, and I'd like to hear mostly about your new job. So tell us how that's going. Your video training is tomorrow, so good luck with that. Hopefully we uploaded this today. Maybe we won't have to do too much editing and we just straight upload it.
Also, I want to hear more in depth about Robin, because apparently Justin has heard and seen a lot of her.
I haven't seen her. Well,
Okay,
Facebook.
you've seen pictures.
Yeah.
I have heard or seen pretty much nothing. I've gone through your, like, weird tag on Tumblr about her, but that's it. So, I want to hear more.
There's a Robin tag?
It's like, help! It's like HALP with, like, I don't know. Just, Isaac, send it to Justin so he can know about your thoughts and feelings.
Thank you.
Yep.
Look at that right there.
Look at that red-haired goddess in the back.
Red-haired goddess. Queen
Red-haired
Ginger.
goddess. I would have sex with her.
How you doing?
Yep.
How you doing back there?
I would have sex with Chelsea.
I think she just went.
you.
She just went 6-0 at beer pong.
It's impressive.
With beach sauce.
Beach.
Veach sauce and poonsack.
New
For the win.
David Shrestha is here with me. He drove with me down here.
And Kelly's gonna get here later. I'm so excited.
At like 12 o'clock because she left kind of late because she had to do a bunch of stuff.
That's fine. Better late than never.
Yeah, everyone's gonna be here. So
I'm gonna stay up really late because I've been practicing for a while.
I have not. I am quite
Sleepy?
not sleepy. I'm just like a early to bed kind of guy. I guess.
So sleepy.
I'm not sleepy right now. I feel great. I'm
Good.
feeling like
Because it is 10:22.
I'm feeling like an empowered woman at
An
this
empowered woman?
exact moment.
Just-
You know what's a funny word?
What?
Herpy.
Herp.
Like the singular. I guess it'd be herp, yeah. But like herp, the singular is funny, but like herpes isn't that funny because you know it sucks. And
Herpes
herpy,
would be terrible.
but it's just like the singular of herpy.
Genital warts sound awful.
I have one herpy. I think it's kind of funny. All right, Isaac. We have company over, and so we're gonna be social apparently.
Yep.
There's
That's-
Davish back there.
There's
He-
Davich's ass in the
He
background.
would like to
Just
say hello.
take a nice look at that.
So say hi, Isaac. Hey, Isaac. Perfect. Okay.
Hey, I miss you so much.
Aw, you should have
Aw,
came. I'm
you
sorry you had a
should've
job
come.
today. It would have been fun. We'll all get together soon. I'm thinking about like me and Kelly are thinking about going on a road
June.
or spring
In
break,
Colorado.
perhaps. Yeah, that's what.
Me and my
That's what's happening.
in Dallas.
Oh, cool. Maybe we'll probably see each other before spring break. But
Yeah.
spring break,
We
me and,
better.
me and Kelly are like maybe gonna go on a road trip, and we want you and Chelsea to come with us. No, you,
Oh,
you and
damn,
Kelly are gonna come
Isaac.
with us,
Get it.
and it's gonna be fun.
No, Chewy,
Okay.
no.
So this is fun. We will see you the next time we do. So goodbye,
Eloquent.
farewell. Be
To all
safe.
my YouTube subscribers, I love you.
I would be sad because you left me alone. I would be sad for all the lies that you had told. I would be sad because I got left by a girl that I adore. I would be sad for all the love I had before. I know what I said when I said I always been the kind with easy confidence, confident enough to honest, they believe that nothing out there's stopping me, especially not someone who's not loving me. Now listen here, I told you I could live on without loving you. Well, I was bluffing then, but it seems that just may have been the truth. Well, my dad told me one day, son, this girl will think of what she's done, and leaving you will be the first of many more regrets to come. But if she doesn't call, then it's her fault, and it's her loss. I say it's not that simple, see, but then again it just may be. I would be sad because I left me all alone. I would be sad for all the lies that you had told. I would be sad because I got left by a girl that I adore. I would be sad for all the love I had before. I would be sad for all the love I had.